Okay, YouTube people, this is for everybody that wants to know, how are those love bead necklaces made in the 60s? Okay, well, what I have here that I'm going to show you, it's a little bit, if I remember correctly, the love beads were a lot smaller, but this is what I'm working on right here, and I'll put it up close. This is what I'm working on, and so far in this camera it looks really pretty. And the ones, this is going to be about a 24-inch necklace. As you can see, I can sort of stand up and give you an idea. So this is going to come about right here on me when I'm done, about right there. Okay, so I'm gonna give you, okay, I'm pulling my chair up, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. There's no set way to do it, except that it's, very simple. You take your beads, which would be these. All right, so let's just say I'm gonna go with a pink, okay? Some people might wanna go in rainbow colors. I am just like going random. So you stick it in, okay, let's see, I'll just show you again. You take the bead, see the little hole, you see the little rope, and you casually just string it. It's really simple. 3-year-old could do it. Okay, you string it, and so far, this is how far I've gotten. Okay, however, I do remember I've always had love beads. I do remember them being a whole lot smaller than that. So you might want to invest in a bag of beads that are tinier, but in the event that you do, you're going to need nylon thread, not a piece of rope. This is what I had. It was called Little Maker's braiding cord. Okay, of course it's inside out. And it's about 9 yards, 82 millimeters. This is what I'm using. Okay, so it's like a little piece of rope. Okay, but you might really, you want to do something different than that. Hold on just a second. Okay, so as you can see, you see my bust line here. Okay, actually, this is what I'm doing, and hopefully the lighting in here is not too bad. Okay, so I'm going to go with as many colors as I can. I could go with the rainbow, but it would be very hard to pick them out like that. So what I've done, I just put them here on the table, as you can see. Okay, I just string them out like that. And then I'm going to just keep on going until the entire strand is covered. And like I said, I don't have a random way of which I want to do it. I also intend to make one with a feather in the middle, and I do have some feathers in a bag with their own clasp, so I could easily put a feather in the middle or a charm, whatever you want. But most of the time, love beads are beautiful because of their color and, just basically because of that. So this video would be just a little bit boring if you guys had to sit and watch me string it together like this, because it will take some time to finish this. I'll be working on this for the majority of the night simply because of how long I want my necklace to be. But when I am done, I will use these things that are called jump rings, okay, which would be these. What's going to wind up happening is that I'm going to tie the string to one of the jump rings here, and then because I have a lobster clasp, I will attach that lobster clasp to this and the jump ring to the other end. Okay, so you can put them together and therefore you have your necklace. All right, so anyway, that is my tutorial on I'm blonde today, guys. That is my tutorial on how to create a love bead necklace. And you can make them in various sizes, various lengths, you know, down to the navel or up to here or up to here. I bought all that rope because that's what I intend to do, but it's going to take me a couple of hours, I think, to finish the one that I have. And let's see, I seriously think that this, if I were to tie it in a knot right now, I really do think that it's going to be, let's see, without all my hair and beret in the way, it's going to be down to my navel. So that's going to be almost 26 inches, 22 to 26 inches. And then I might make one a little bit longer than that, and then another one a little shorter, and another one a little bit shorter. So you guys will see the finished product when I am done. And yeah, keep an eye out for that. They're really, really, really simple. I mean, it almost looks like a Pez candy necklace. You know, it almost does when you think about it. I guess it would be so much easier just to go buy them. And I could, you know, California, LA is known for love beads. You can go anywhere downtown and buy a whole string. That's why today I was at Joann's and I was trying to find a string of love beads as trim, you know, like fabric trim, and in that section, and they didn't have that. So I didn't want to go to downtown LA today and spend time trying to buy the necklaces down there, although I will eventually get down there. If this doesn't turn out right, I will be down there before the end of the weekend or over the weekend, and I probably will have bought them there. Okay, so that's for anybody who is interested in making a love bead necklace. And I hope you guys found this interesting. It's the first DIY I've had in a long time. And I'm going to thank you guys in advance for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. This should be a good enough reason to subscribe. You never know how many DIYs I might have, how many more wig reviews I have coming up. But if you push that notifications button, then you will know just exactly what is happening, because I'm sure you'll get the notification to find out. And while you guys are here, I just want to show you one thing. I have had this this ladybug ring for so long, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Can you believe I only paid $1 for her? And she's really cool. Okay, if I could have made that myself, Lord knows I would have. And it's real easy. You just need glue, rhinestones, and the backing that you want to use to glue your rhinestones on. All right, so and my little medallion, I've had that a long time too. It doesn't mean anything. It's just a little floral mandala, I guess you might want to call it that. And my other ring also is a nice little leopard. It's a rhinestone leopard. Okay, so I buy the cutest jewelry. The dollar jewelry is usually the cutest, and if I see it, I will always go and get it, because that is the kind of hippie girl, and I am. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and don't forget, if you subscribe to my channel, I will subscribe to your channel, regardless of what you got on there, how many subscribers you got or don't got. Doesn't matter. All right, be there, be square for my next video coming up soon. Bye.